to turn on the SSH server, it's quite simple. All you need to do is just click on this Raspberry Pi icon and then go down until you can find the preferences and Raspberry Pi configuration. And as you can see, we've got this dialog box right here. All we need to do is just click on to CLI right here. Okay, and this is fine to be logged in as a user Pi. If you want, you can also disable this thing, but I want it on, so I'm just going to keep it at on itself. So now if you go to the interfaces right here, you can see that SSH is being disabled. All you need to do is just click on this enabled right here. Okay, so once this is being done, hit OK, and as you can see, it has worked something. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the terminal right here, and I'm going to type out ifconfig. This is a command with which we could get the IP address of this Raspberry Pi. Now just note this IP address down, and once this is being done, I'm going to come back to the Mac. I'm going to open the terminal, and right here I'm going to just type out sudo ssh pi at 192.168.100.7. hit enter. Enter your Mac password. Now for the first time, it's going to ask you for the permission in order for your Mac computer to authenticate that the Raspberry Pi is not harmful. So just type out yes right over here and hit return key. And now what you need to do is enter the password of your Raspberry Pi. So my password is Raspberry right here, and as you can see, it has now logged in to my Raspberry Pi. As you can see right here, Pi at Raspberry. Now to show you that it is actually a Raspberry Pi, I'm just gonna do the ls command right here, and as you can see, I've got some things right here, and I will also confirm you this with ls right here, and as you can see, the same things I've got right over here. How cool is that? Hit the like if you have got something from this video, and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching. Until next time.